What's up guys, Dragon here and welcome back to my nerd corner. Right now we're about to do an unboxing of the CMF by Nothing Headphones Pro. But before I do that, I just want to apologize for the lack of long form content. It's been hard, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like doing videos like these is a lot easier, but I've been wanting to make a review on my Pixel 10 Pro, and I just want like these shots that are gonna be hard, and like it's been trouble, I'm not gonna lie. But I do want to just start posting more consistently, so this is gonna be the first video that I make that I post more often, and it's just gonna be a simple unboxing and just a comparison. So we have the side, the back, and on the back side we have a little pull tab, and we just pull that. I do want to make more unboxings, but I kind of want to do like a top down, but I need to like set up my desk for that, and I need to buy a thing to do that, because I don't have like a little clamp that can make my camera stay on top of here. Right here is just a long manual, and it gives you a QR code to the Nothing X app, which you're gonna need, and it just goes straight to the headphones. Look at that, oh my god, empty box. So yeah, minimal packaging because it is a budget headphone. I got these for $84. Original price is $100, but I think they're giving like a discount for, I guess, the early adopters or whatever. So on the top here, it has this little thing, and it comes with a little dust bag, so if you need to put it inside of your backpack or something, you can. It's cool. It has a little CMF by Nothing branding there, and it's nice. It feels like a soft material, almost like an Alcantara, I guess. And then it comes with the 3.5mm headphone jack. It doesn't, however, come with the USB-C cable, which typically I feel like you should have it, but honestly I feel like we live in a world where like you should have at least one USB-C cable. So, but yeah, look at these. Oh my god, they're so colorful, but they're like, I feel like the camera makes them look a little washed out, but yeah, these are nice. They're not super bright, which I like. And let's peel this real quick. So let's go over the buttons here. So here, this is a microphone because it is a noise canceling headphone. Right here is the volume slider, and if you click it down, I think it's a play, pause, and skip and all that good stuff. Here, I believe, is a AI button, which you can reprogram to something else if you have the app. And of course the USB-C charging port. On the left ear cup you have your 3.5, another mic. This is the power on and off, and I guess Bluetooth pairing as well. And this is an energy slider, I think that's what they're calling it. I'm not too sure, but it's basically a bass slider, which is cool because I have these Skull Candy headphones right here, which have essentially the same thing. Right here it's like a big energy, I guess, bass slider. I don't know why I call it energy slider, but this is actually my pair of headphones, and my girlfriend, fiance, she got herself a pair too. And let's go over these ear cups, because if you squish them down, like, they use really nice soft materials for this. So, and I've been listening to hers on and off because obviously they're hers, so I don't get to use hers like obviously like every day or whatever. But they sound great for $100. They sound amazing. For $84 that I got them for, sound even better. But look how easy it is to switch out these ear cups. So all you have to do is, that's it. And one thing I want to mention is, look at that, it's like glossy, right? I think it looks pretty, but I prefer matte, which the black ones have. This is my fiance's pair, and you can see they're glossy and matte. So I wish all of them came matte, but obviously, you know, beggars can't be choosers. I decided to get this pair because I thought they looked cool. I don't have blue tech. I was gonna get the white ones, but I just decided not to because I like all the tech that I get is white. So I was like, I don't want to keep getting the same. You know, I want all my tech to look the same, basically. So, and this stuff is these ear cups do go in a certain way. So the left one won't fit on the right ear cup, which is what I was trying to do for some reason. That's why it wasn't working. But you can see, like, I'm just talking to you guys and I'm just putting these on, just like nothing, you know. And look at that. I mean, it's beautiful. I love these ear cup designs and just the way you put them on, because those skull candies that I actually showed you guys earlier, they don't do that. They don't do that. So they actually, you have to, I don't know, it's a messy, like, I hated putting those ear cups on. Super annoying. But you can see this is what it would look like on the black pair. And you can buy extra ear cups if you really need to on the Nothing website. So that's really cool. The only thing I will say is the ear cups are 25 bucks, which is like, if I'm buying a $100 headphone, you really think I got an extra 25 bucks to spend on just ear cups to make them my own? Like, I'm gonna just use the ones that they come with, you know what I mean? But anyway, that's besides the point. Alright, before I end the video, I just want to say they're obviously very comfortable, very lightweight, the cushion's amazing, and I want to make a review on these for you guys, but at the same time, I am not an audiophile. There's that. I want to make a review on the Nothing headphones too. I also have those, but again, I'm not an audiophile, so yeah. Anyway, I wish I would have done an unboxing of the Nothing headphones, but I do have the box down here, and here's the box. This one's a lot heavier. Like, it's heavy, and I took the headphones out already. But I'm a little weird though. I like keeping boxes for some reason. Let's see. Yeah. Hope you guys like this video, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing more unboxings, more long form tech videos, and just a whole bunch of random videos that I want to do for tech and other stuff. And if you have any questions about them, put them in the comments below. Subscribe, please, if you made it this far. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace.